what is planning? Planning means looking ahead and chalking out future courses of action to be followed. It is a preparatory step. It is a systematic activity which determines when, how, and who is going to perform a specific job. Well planned is half the work done. Therefore, planning takes into consideration available and prospective human and physical resources of the organization so as to get effective coordination, contribution, and perfect adjustment. It is the basic management function which includes formulation of one or more detailed plans to achieve objectives as well as the needs and demands with the available resources. According to Kuntz O'Donnell, planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do, and who is to do it. Planning bridges the gap between where we are to where we want to go. It makes possible things to occur which would not otherwise occur. Once again, failing to plan is planning to fail. Let's say you've been asked to arrange a Best Employee of the Year party for your organization. Company parties and events are supposed to be fun and ways to build team spirit and congratulate employees on a job well done. Many such events are so boring and unimaginative that employees actually dislike them. Aside from a meager budget, the culprit is often nothing more than a lack of proper planning. To make great success of your company party, don't wait until the last minute to plan it. You have to get started now. You form a committee with a few of your colleagues and set up a meeting. What is our goal? Your committee's first step is to determine the specific purpose or goal for the event. Is it to reward employees for a job well done? If so, then the goal should be simply to make sure everyone has fun. If the employee or team is being recognized and rewarded for outstanding accomplishments, your goal should be for all of the other employees to want to be up on the stage next year. You will also talk about cool prizes, the latest iPhone, iPad, or a cruise on a ship. Next, you will start digging into details. With the goals established for the event, your committee can now start working on party details, specific areas to focus, which would cover the following. The venue. Is that area on your premises big enough to accommodate all the people and festivities? The type of facility you choose will depend on many different factors. Budget, size, location and of course, but your corporate culture is also a very critical factor. Food and beverage. Arranging F&B is often the most complex and expensive part of the planning process. Audiovisual. Sound and lighting are major components of most events and parties today. Entertainment. This is the trickiest part to plan for and the area of which the biggest mistakes are made. Myriad of entertainment options exist, from a live band or a DJ and dancing to games, contests, and talent shows. You will also have to match the entertainment to your corporate culture. You will need to make time-bound checklists, starting from 2 months before the party, such as set a date and reserve the party venue. 1 month before the party, send out party invitations. A few weeks before the party, create a food and drinks menu, for example. 1 week before the party, check in with the venue, caterer, and other vendors to make sure everything is going well. 1 or 2 days before the party, send out a final email reminding everyone about the party. And of course, last-minute preparations. And finally, enjoy yourself and take a lot of photographs. This is planning. Now, what are the benefits of planning? First, it allows decisions to be made ahead of time. It permits anticipation of any consequences that may take place, provides direction and a sense of purpose, provides a unifying framework, avoiding piecemeal decision making. It improves competitive strength and achieves better coordination. It also helps identify what are the threats and opportunities and reduces risks. It also facilitates managerial control through setting of standards for monitoring and measuring performance. And of course, it encourages innovation and creativity. So let's now define planning. It is a systematic process of reaching a desired state by establishing goals and formulating strategies to achieve them. This brings us to the end of this part on planning. In the next part, we will look at the steps in planning.